Hello everybody and welcome back to Yalan app. In this video, I'm going to show you a step-by-step guide on exactly how I was able to fix a car that won't reverse in Drive Beyond Horizons. So most likely the reason for that you're not able to actually reverse your car is because you don't have the pedals right here. So I'm just going to take them right here and then I'm just going to attach this first one right here, and then the second one here as well. So you're probably missing any of those ones right here. So it should be three, as you can see, most likely. So I'm just going to release this one here. Oh, no, actually here. Okay, perfect. So now I'm just going to go into the car here. So I'm just going to start the car. It might take us, okay, I have to release the, yep. Okay, now I can go forward, and if I go back here, yeah, now as you can see, now it works. So basically it's all down to the fact that you probably are not able to actually reverse. So as you can see, this is like in the middle, this is stop. So if we go forward, I think this to the right is reverse. Yeah, so you probably don't have the right one here either. So yeah, so basically you need to have that one, and that is exactly how to fix this issue.